Hi, so I'm here by the control room. So we are done, and you can see here everything for the monitoring room. So we done mounting all these pieces, right? And this is very strong with the bracket and everything. And this is the one we put the network switch. So this is all is link all the this switch. So we did the networking and all these wires going to the roof and coming out and is going to this switch, right? So all these PCS screens, everything is mounted and make it neat. And this one we are done for the one side. This is for Nova view. Now this one is for the live, this offsite monitoring. So the Nova view only have the 6 cameras, and now we are seeing of the live the Nova view, because we just have the one. So maybe when we get another modem or the routers, then we can do all other sites also. But we have to check the DVRs if they can, because some of them is very old one. Then we will see if they can support it. Right. So, but one we are done one side.